Alright, today we're going to make another video, and this one's going to be a very simple video about making rubber band balls. Making rubber band balls is actually pretty easy. Once you know how to make the center of it, you just layer the rest of them on top. And here's a couple examples of ones which I made. It's just made from old rubber bands or whichever that I find. So let's just get these rubber bands down here and make another rubber band ball. So first we have to start off with the center, and here I just have a Vic rubber band. You can use thin ones and thick ones. If you use thick rubber bands, you will get a ball faster. If you use thin ones, it'll be more round. So make your choice. When we start off with this, we want to fold it into the closest shape to a ball which you can find. So for me, that just ends up being folding it in fours like this. And next we get another rubber band. Let's use this one right here. And just kind of go across the other one and just wrap it around like that, and then turn it again, wrap it around, turn it again, and wrap it around. Just like this. Keep going until you've stretched it pretty far. Okay, so now the other rubber band is pretty tight on the other one. So you can see we're starting to bulge out on either side. And this is the beginnings of a ball. But the thickness from here to here is still a lot thinner than the thickness from here to here. So to fix that, let's just keep going on this side and adding more. And every once in a while, it is a good idea just to go with another one going this way. Once you have a circular ball, then you can just keep going on either direction to make it bigger. And we're going to go up and back again. So now you can see that's starting to look kind of like a ball, but it is still sticking out on the side. So let's just go a couple more times with more rubber bands, and eventually it should be circular. Our rubber band ball is now still looking kind of egg-shaped, but we can just bulk it up a little bit more and it will be circular. So now you can see it's beginning to take somewhat the form of a ball, but we still have a little bit of a hump going around here, but it's nothing like it was. We might not even have to use all of these to make it circular, but once it is circular, we can just keep stacking on. And we just keep going from side to side like that, and from up and down like that. So now we have used most of the thick rubber bands which we have, leaving only thinner ones left. And you can see that it's pretty circular now. It'd be fair to say that this is a rubber band ball. It bounces.